everyone. I'm Amber.
I'm Allison.
And I'm Ron.
And today we are going to talk about the trip that we took to the Natural History Museum.
It's tons of fun.
Yeah. Well, good morning. It's an awful day today, but we're here. So we're going to start by talking about minerals and how they relate to chemistry and what they do and all that fun stuff.
So what are minerals?
The basic definition of a mineral is just the building blocks of rocks. But if you get a little bit more complicated, like we do in AP Chem, it may also be defined as any natural occurring inorganic solid that has a definite chemical composition and possesses a crystalline structure.
There are 6 ways to classify each of these minerals, and that is by their hardness, their cleavage, specific gravity, color, luster, and their streak.
Each one of these can be determined by what actually makes them up, like the different compositions. And when you look at the different minerals at the museum, they have their chemical composition, like there with them, under like a basic, not under their name. And you can actually see in the ones that contain sulfur that they have some sort of yellowish tint to them, because sulfur in its solid state is yellow.
So why exactly are minerals important? Well, minerals are important because it makes up the solid earth on which we live on.
Two compounds that we can compare with each other are fool's gold and elemental gold. Fool's gold and elemental gold have different streaks to them, and fool's gold, when it is streaked against something, leaves a black streak, while when gold is streaked against something, it obviously leaves behind a gold streak. Another difference between these two compounds is their crystalline structure. Gold, because it has a looser compacted structure, will be malleable, meaning that if you hit gold with a hammer, it's just gonna flatten out, while fool's gold is rather brittle because of its crystalline structure, and if you hit it with a hammer, it's just gonna shatter.
Our next topic is
Spectroscopy! Woo!
So what is spectroscopy?
And that's the measurement of spectra produced when matter interacts with or emits electromagnetic radiation. So basically, it's the use of light, sound, or particle emission to study matter.
So why is spectroscopy important?
The device used is called a spectrometer, which records the spectrum of light emitted by a given material, which can be used to determine the chemical composition of a substance.
Not every planet and star is made up of the same materials. In this picture, the Mars rover uses its spectrometer to determine the composition of a rock named Yogi. Different minerals in the rock absorb and reflect specific wavelengths of light.
So we hope you enjoyed our video.
Thank you for watching, and see you next time.